cainte. Sudoku a chlig. Spás le haigh iver a mheán. Dó, trí, a car, a cuaig. Iver sé an seo. Cainte. Cílíonn sé sin. What time is it? Dó, trí. Cainte. Cainte anish sé. Anish. What is it? What time is it now? Anish is now. Fógann sé sin iver a dó. So, tá na hivrecha eolalas agat Hannah. You already know the numbers. So, cainte, if it's 1 o'clock, you say tá sé a mheán a clog. If it's 2 o'clock, you say a dó a chlog, a 3 a chlog, and a clog, it is the same construction as in English. It is, chlog is a word for clock, and an uair is the word for watch. And we'll ceadagam vacant the uair. Can I have a look at your watch? If you want to say it's past a certain hour of the day, you say it's lahúr taréis. Uair is the word for an hour. Gá uair ó hin would be 2 hours ago. Míd éirí ar a dó san fosca seo. Tá iver thucht sa chalín híos an seo. So taon iver a thucht an seo. Agus fágann sé sin iver a cuaig. Agus 10 or chunnig mé spás le haigh iver a thucht. So, lahúr taréis 3, 3:30. Bhí mé caint faoi an bríthir, the verb éirigh. D'éirigh mé gur muc ar maidin. I woke up early in the morning. Is féidir a rá d'éirigh mé ag a lahúr taréis a 6, 6:30. Lahúr taréis a 5, féidir, 5:30. Go muc ar maidin, early in the morning. Lahúr taréis a 7, féidir, nó a 8. Féidir ag an deireadh seachtaine éiríonn tú ag a lahúr taréis ní. On the weekend, maybe you might get to wake up at, or get out of bed. Éirigh is actually get up as opposed to wake up. The verb to actually wake up is dúsigh, dhúsigh mé. Gúsigh mé ag lahúr taréis a 4. Woke up at 4:30. Ach níor éirigh mé go dtí lahúr taréis a 6. I didn't get up until 6:30. Má creadann tú é sin. So over a tree or Selena show. Quarter past. If you want to say quarter past, it's cahru. Cahru. It's derived, as you can imagine, from the word a cahar. So a cahru is a quarter. Now, no error, and please don't ask me any other fractions because I wasn't taught a lot of matha at school. Thug mé Gaeilge mar over scoile 1, 2, 3 cahar. I did take Irish as a school subject. Ach ní arna mé stodger trí Gaeilge. I didn't do all my studies through Irish, so ní arna mé matha. So I don't know any more fractions in Irish. But that's the only one you tend to use daily, is a quarter and a half. So lahur, la is a half. And cahru. So la taréis a hucht, lahur taréis a hucht, 8:30. Cahru taréis a hucht, 8:15. How about 7:45? Cahru chun a hucht. Cahru chun a hucht. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Car, sé. Hucht ní. Agus fógan sé spás na barna le haid ar a 2 ceapan. Agus cad atá fágtha sa lór in the middle. Sa lór an lína sin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 agus 9. Agus níl mé cinnte faoi sin fós. Iarús chalún sin agus sa bhosca sin. Tá míide iarú ar a 3. Agus tá 3 híos an seo agus ar an chlé to the left. Of course, to tell all the times that are possible on the chlug, you'd have to use a couple of numbers that I don't use routinely in Sudoku, obviously. Mar tain sé chuig iver a ní, and it goes up to number 9. So if you want to say tá sé 10 o'clock, it's 10 o'clock. Tá sé a 10 o'clock. How about 11? Well, in Irish, the teens are the deigs. Na hibreacha le deig sa focal agus tosníonn siad le iver a haindeig. So number 11 is iver a haindeig. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Agus fógan sé cearna le haid iver a 7. So yeah, so you can add deig to all of your 1, 2, 3s. So 1 deig, a 2 deig, a 3 deig, a 4 deig, a 5 deig, 15, a 6 deig, 16, a 7 deig, 17, a 8 deig, 18, a 9 deig, 19. So tá sé lahúir tar éis a 2 deig, it's 12:30. Níl sé fear. That's not true. It's not really 12:30. Gus tá mí gur ever a cehar an líne sin. Fágann sé ever a 5 ceapan. Tásúla agam, I hope so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Agus mheán. Fós éireú an seo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. An yarn mé butún ar bith fós. Have I made any mistakes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ní ceapan. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ní ceapan. I don't think so. Ní massam. Sin focail eile le haghaidh your thoughts or your opinions. If you want to say, make a statement, in my opinion, in mheán, or another way to say it is dar lum. Dar lum or dar lumsa, which literally means according to me. Dar le duine éigean, according to someone. Well, dar lum, according to me, níl butún ar bith. Déanta agam. In mheán. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in my opinion, I haven't made any mistakes. Smuoiníam. Unnecessary derm bhfuil mé ag smuoineamh faoi an puzzle. I'm thinking about it. Contemplating. You can activate that verb as smuoiníam, which is another kind of variation of massam. It's closer probably to the word I speculate, maybe. Smuoiníam. Or I consider, maybe that's a closer translation. 1, 2, 3. Cad atá fága os ar chóir. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ever a sé. Agus bhí ever a sé ar sa cháiliúin sin. So, tómid sa chearnóg déarnach. We're in the last square. Agus tá sé sa lár. It's in the very center. Ever a hocht. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A 10, a 11, a 12, a 13, a 14, a 15, is Cyrilla, is Ruddy Ella, etc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, níl is agam cainte me. Not sure what time it is where you are. Ach, má tá tú ag dul I do chulla. If you're going to sleep, ihuá, good night, agus chulla sóibh, and sleep well.